I'm talking to you today about fear. It is one of the energies that stop us moving forward. You know yourself that on the other side of fear is just the best place possible. It's the place that you want to be, that you're stopped by fear. It absolutely blocks your every single movement. It has you on freeze, running out of the door or standing up and fighting, but mostly freeze, mostly not being able to get out of it. So I wanted to take this opportunity to work with you and show you how to move fear out of the body. We think we can move it out. We know that we need to move it out, but we don't always know exactly what's causing us the fears. I'm going to invite you into a place today that you can actually experience the moving out of fear from your body and how that will take you to the next step forward. Fear ruins your day with worry and anxiety and bellyache. You know you can't eat. It has you snapping at people, and it destroys your health and cripples your business. So you've been waiting for that upgrade and you really want to be able to be in this fantastic new place that you see yourself being, but fear stops you dead in your tracks. Chemicals literally flood your body, and whatever you're dreaming about, you just can't seem to get there. So what is the one thing, to move straight into this, what is the one thing that you know you want to achieve next, one step, but fear is holding you from getting there? Just have the intention of knowing for that one thing, so we can just move one thing out of the way right now. So what is that one thing that stops you? What are you frightened of? Bring that clearly to mind. The intention is to see it and to be very, very clear of it. Now, let all the chatter in your mind disappear, all the narration, all the talking, all the list of things to do, all the busyness. Let that drop away from your mind. And this time now is to just close your eyes, and I'm going to lead you through a process that will let fear exit your body so that you can move forward with this next step. So close your eyes and concentrate on the noise in your ears. There'll be a slight buzzing or a ringing, something in your ears that belongs to you, and it is like your note. So get rid of all the other noises that are going on around in the vicinity of where you are. Just concentrate on that one noise. With your eyes closed, just keep them still in one point, as if you're just staring at a dot in front of you. And feel the feeling on your skin. Now, you might be touching something, your lap, some material, some cloth, or you can feel the clothes on your skin. Hear the noise in your ears. Keep your eyes still, focused in one place, and feel the material or where you're sitting. Feel what's touching your skin. That's all you need to concentrate on. Be still, be willing to open and receive. Drop down into your insides, come down into your insides, away from your busy head. Stop all the narration and all the chatter and feel safe. Feel safer than you've ever felt before. Where are you? Where are you when you feel safe? Like, how relaxed is your body? How safe do you feel? Notice where you are. Notice the sensations around you. Is there a temperature? Is the sun shining on you? Do you not have any shoes on, no socks on, and you can feel sand or earth beneath your feet, in between your toes? What's the temperature of the day? Is there a breeze? Is there something you can pick up? Can you smell? Where are you that makes you feel so safe in your body? Now just notice as your body relaxes a little bit more. Just breathe in and breathe out. You're safe. Between your eyes, You can see that your hands are out in front of you, and your hands can move very gently outwards and inwards towards a prayer position, and then outwards again. And there's a ball of energy, a ball of light in between your hands. And it's warm and it's buzzy with energy. And you can move your hands wider and closer, and you can feel the energy between your hands. As you smile, you see the energy amplifies with your smile. Imagine the energy as a puppy in your hands, full of play and love, soft and warm, and you love that puppy so much. Experience the feeling of love as it expands your heart and is so intense that you feel so safe and light and playful. Feel it and notice it. Notice the temperature of this love feeling that you share with the puppy. The color of love, the weight of love in your heart. Just allow that to just drop in and feel love. So much love. You feel safe, and now you're feeling love. You feel safe, and now you know the feeling of love. As I move on to the next step, remember you know what love feels like, and you are very, very safe. I want you to go back to your intention to be very clear and aware of this feeling of fear. Now remember this feeling of fear, this subject that you have that you're fearful about. This very next step, where does it sit in your body, this feeling of fear? Where is fear exactly that stops you moving forward? How does it appear for you? Does it move? It's just energy. It's just bunched up energy, dammed up in your body. Feel the energy, knowing that you're safe. Pay attention to it and know it. Get to know it very, very well. Notice what you notice. How does it move? Does it have a temperature of its own? Does it have a smell, a taste? Is it heavy? Is it jagged? Is it smooth, glossy? Does it have tentacles? What is the energy inside your body? Can you feel it, acknowledge it, know where it lives in your body? Get to really know where that fear is in your body. Knowing you feel safe. Now take the energy that was in your hands, this love energy, the safe energy, the ball of energy that's warm and playful and full of love, and bring it to where the energy of fear sits in your body, and put that energy in the place where fear is sitting in your body. You can also ask your guides or helpers, unseen, non-physical beings, your soul, to move in and help you take this energy of fear and move it ever so slightly away from your body, gently with love, with a net, with a hoover. Notice what you notice. How does fear move out of your body? Feel the fear moving and witness it leaving 1 centimetre outside your body, outside your skin, wherever it's been sitting. Make sure you've scooped up all the fear, all the droplets of fear, from anywhere in your body. Bring them all together and move them 1 centimetre outside your skin. 2 centimetres, half a metre, 1 metre away. Cast your eyes towards the horizon and watch the fear energy being taken by your guides and replaced in your body by this happy, loving, puppy energy. Feel your body change and see the love and happy and playful energy take over that space. Fill that space. You no longer house fear. You've had way too much noise in your head and doing before to allow this to take place, for you to actually look and feel and acknowledge and witness what fear really feels like. There are so many more powerful energy techniques to assist you physically in your body to accept change and tune in with your intuition on a whole new level. Your body is more than something to be admired. It is a finely tuned asset that allows you to read and process information and make decisions quickly. It is a fully sensory body that allows you to feel fear, to move through it, to change the energy into this love and happy energy. You need to groom this energy in your body and let it play out. It'll help you improve communications, open up to creativity, heal your body, amplifying the manifestations that you want to have. I hope this has been helpful for you to see that you can change the energy in your body and know that fear, especially for that next step that you want to take, is no longer housed in your body. Let me know that this is helpful and what changes now that fear is no longer in your body.